What is 2 plus 1? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2. Now add one more finger. 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Great job. Ready for the next question? What is 3 plus 2? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now add 2 more fingers. 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Well done. Let's keep learning. What is 4 plus 1? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add one more finger. 5. So, for plus 1 equals 5. Fantastic. Can you solve another one? What is 5 plus 2? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now add 2 more fingers. 6, 7. So, 5 plus 2 equals 7. Amazing work. Let's do the next math challenge. What is 1 plus 3? Let's count our fingers. 1. Now, add 3 more fingers.
2, 3, 4.
So, 1 plus 3 equals 4. Nice work. On to the next one. What is 2 plus 4? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2. Now, add 4 more fingers. 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 2 plus 4 equals 6. You're a math star. Let's keep going. What is 3 plus 3? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now, add 3 more fingers. 4, 5, 6. So, 3 plus 3 equals 6. Wonderful. Ready for more fun math? What is 4 plus 4? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, add 4 more fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, for plus 4 equals 8. Terrific. Let's try a new one. What is 5 plus 3? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, add 3 more fingers. 6, 7, 8. So, 5 plus 3 equals 8. Outstanding. Keep up the good work. What is 3 plus 5? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now, add 5 more fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 3 plus 5 equals 8. Excellent counting. Try this next one. What is 4 plus 5? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add 5 more fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, for plus 5 equals 9. You're doing awesome. Let's continue the fun. What is 5 plus 5? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, add 5 more fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Perfect. Let's tackle another one. What is 1 plus 1? Let's count our fingers. 1. Now add 1 more finger.
2.
So, 1 plus 1 equals 2.
Yay.
Let's learn some more. What is 2 plus 2? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2. Now, add 2 more fingers. 3, 4. So, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Nicely done. Ready for the next adventure? What is 3 plus 4? Let's count our fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now add 4 more fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 3 plus 4 equals 7. Great counting. Let's move ahead.